Okay, let's start with the next topic, that is types of the fungi, classes of the fungi, Phycomycetes. See, members of Phycomycetes are found in members of Phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitats and on decaying wood in moist and damp places, or as an obligate parasite on plants. Obligate parasite means when they obtain the nourishment, they act as a parasite, otherwise not. Otherwise present in the inactivated state, known as obligate parasite. Mycelium. What is mycelium? Network-like structure, right? So single filamentous structure known as hyphae. And so many hyphae are united together and form network-like structure known as mycelium. So mycelium is aseptate, means septa absent. Septa absent. Septa is nothing but the membrane or any type of the barrier, septum. I think you have heard that septum between two auricles and ventricles, interauricular septum, interventricular septum in human heart. Right auricle and left auricle both are separated by the septum. Septum is nothing but the barrier or partition. So aseptate means septa absent, and coenocytic means see coenocytic mycelium. It was there in the previous page. Multinucleated, is it there? Fine. Coenocytic. Asexual reproduction takes place by zoospores. Zoospores are known as motile, or by aplanospores. These are the names of these spores. Zoospores are motile and aplanospores are non-motile. These spores are endogenously produced. Endogenously means inside. Endogenously inside, and similar to that exogenously, that is outside. Fine. So endogenously produced in sporangium. The spores are formed at one place. That region is known as sporangium. The spores are formed at particular region. It is known as sporangium. For example, you know that in the stamen, anther is sporangium, where pollen grains are originated. Similar to that, in pistil or carpel, ovary or ovule is known as sporangium, where ovum is generated or formed. Clear? Zygospores are formed by fusions of the two gametes. See, zygospores related to that word zygote. So here male and female gamete both are united together and fertilization occurs. This is known as zygospores. These gametes are similar to the morphology that is known as isogametes or isogamous. Isogamous means structurally, functionally, morphologically. Both the gametes are same. For example, here I can draw the diagram isogametes. This is the male gamete. This is the female gamete. So this is known as isogametes. Isogametes means we say like that here. Both the gametes are morphologically, structurally, functionally same. Look-wise, structurally, બધું જ એક સરખું હોય. Same. That is known as isogamete. And for example, here this is the ovum, and this is the sperm. So sperm is of male and ovum is of female. So this is known as anisogametes. Gametes are two, but structurally, functionally both are totally different. Fine. So similar by look wise, morphologically similar, gametes are known as isogametes, and dissimilar are known as anisogametes or oogametes. And I have told to you yesterday that in the oogamous type of the fertilization, the male gamete is entered inside the female gamete. Clear? Some common examples are mucor, rhizopus. It is also known as braid mold. Please remember, rhizopus is also known as braid mold. And albugo. Albugo, parasitic fungi on the mustard plant. This is also important. Now second is known as Ascomycetes. The bag-like structure. The bag-like structure in the fungi, it is known as ascus. So ascus known as sac-like structure. So here, first line, Ascomycetes are known as sac fungi. Sac fungi. Sac matlab bag. Okay? Sac means bag. So this fungi look like bag, known as sac fungi. Ascomycetes are unicellular. Example, yeast. Which one? Saccharomyces. Have you heard this? Can you know about Saccharomyces? Don't say no. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae is also known as Baker's yeast. You have already learned that. You have forget this. If it is used for formation of the bread and its products known as Baker's yeast, and beverages alcohol containing brewers yeast, yes, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. See the previous model. લખાયું છે. So unicellular, that is yeast, Saccharomyces, or multicellular, example Penicillium. Which one? Penicillium notatum. Produce penicillin, antibiotic drug, the wonder drug of the world. Right? And used for injured soldiers of Second World War. They are saprophytic, decomposers, parasitic, and coprophilous. Growing on dung. What do you mean by dung? Chan. Odro, kya? Odro. Dung of cattle. Sometimes dung is contaminated, and over that fungi develops, known as coprophilous fungi. And some animals can take the nourishment from the excreta of animals, known as coprophilous animals. Coprophilous. Yes. For example, pig. Have you seen pig? Pig is coprophilous. એ ડંગ ખાય. મોઢું નહીં બગાડવા. આપણે ક્યાં ખાવાનું? ના, એમાં એવું છે, તમારી વાત સાચી છે, પણ આપણે બધી જ સિચ્યુએશનને હ્યુમન બીંગ સાથે કનેક્ટ કરો. Animal excreta consists some type of the nourishment also. તમે શું કહો છો? Indigested food ને? Undigested food known as excreta, no? So that consists particular component. These are of the nutrients. These are nutrients which are helpful for other animals also. તમે ડોગ ને પણ જોયું હોય તો, dog and pig, very interesting examples are there. Sometimes you observe them. એમાં પાછું ફ્રેશ ને એવું ના હોય. ફ્રેશ અને લેટ એમાં બે શું કહેવાય, ફ્રેશ ડંક અને પછી લેટ ડંક. ડંક પછી ડ્રાય, એમાં પછી વેટ ને ડ્રાય એવું કોપ્રોફિલસ ને બધાને ખોટું લાગે. મેં નહોતું કીધું બાયોલોજી ઇઝ અ સ્વીટ લેંગ્વેજ. તમને બધી ખબર છે. અડધું તો અમારે યાદ જ કરાવવાનું, અડધું તો અમારે યાદ જ કરાવવાનું છે, અડધું કોન્સેપ્ટ ક્લિયર કરાવવાનું છે. ભણાવવાનું કઈ અડધું તો પૂછીને હેરાન થઈ ગયો. યાદ છે એમને યાદ ન શું યાદ છે, આપણે યાદ રાખો એને શું યાદ રાખો. એને તો યાદ જ ન હોય જરાય કે મારે શું યાદ રાખવું. મેં જોયું અત્યારે એક્ઝામ્પલ સેકેરોમાઇસિસ સેરિવિસી ઉપરથી તમારા ફેસ વાંચી લીધા.